Gareth of Channel Profits here. Today I want to talk about money and how you can make more of it using YouTube. Regardless of whether you're building faceless channels for profit or creating a personal brand, chances are you aren't going to be making much in the way of ad revenue when starting out. Yes, I know everybody loves showing you inside their channel analytics, boasting about how they are making thousands of dollars each month. But most of these channels will have been growing for at least a year. Very few channels hit it big in the first few months, especially if it's your first channel. It's a gradual increase over time. So for the rest of us mere mortals, the amount you will earn will probably be in the hundreds of dollars, not the thousands, at least in the first few months. Now, assuming you follow the strategy I recommend, which I'll add links to in the video description, you should be monetized in 2 to 3 months. From there, YouTube then takes an additional 6 weeks to send you your first payment. So depending on ads alone as a small channel, means you could be waiting months for cash to start coming in, which is why you want to be adding additional revenue streams as soon as possible. This is especially true if you're focusing on search traffic. Take, for example, Channel Profits, this channel. Although I'm trying to increase the browse traffic, it's still sitting at an average of about 65 to 70% search traffic, with around 23,000 monthly views. Sure, this is going up by a few thousand views each month, but if I was to solely rely on ad revenue from this channel to survive, then it wouldn't be worth my time to create and upload videos. I'd only be making about $200, which barely covers my monthly software costs, let alone cover my bills. So in the short and long term, you need to increase your channel's earnings by leveraging the views and attention you have. There are a number of ways you can do this, but for the most part, it just involves trying to get people to click a link in the video description. The only thing you have to decide on is how you plan to monetize those links. A key way that larger channels, especially branded ones, do this is with video sponsors. This is where companies approach you to sponsor your videos, normally by having you recommend a product and sending people to a discount link in the video description. Now, assuming your channel is still small, this isn't a form of monetization you need to worry about right now. As you get bigger, you'll start getting messages from companies. The next best way is with affiliate links. This is where you go and find the products you want to recommend and apply to become an affiliate. They then pay you a commission for each sale through your link. This is one of my favorite ways to make money with YouTube, as you can create videos around the topic of the product you plan to sell. One you've probably seen before is YouTubers recommending cameras that they use to create their videos, with Amazon links in the video description. These links are affiliate links and they get paid about 5% for every sale. I personally prefer recommending digital products like online courses and softwares, as they pay a higher percentage in commissions. ClickBank is a good source of digital products, but most online businesses have affiliate programs these days. Just do a Google search and you'll get your answer. Then all you have to do is add the affiliate links to your description and start sending people to them. Just make sure to vet products first before recommending them to your audience. The next way you can monetize your channel is with physical products. You could create your own shop or sell channel merch. There are plenty of print-on-demand sites out there that will do the work for you and share the profits. Last but not least is selling online courses or services. Maybe you're a coach and you want to sell one-to-one sessions, or perhaps you want to create an automated course that people can buy directly from you. Courses are my personal favorite. It's a natural progression, as many of your viewers will want more from you. This could be a step-by-step training program or just a Patreon with exclusive content. You already know how to create videos for your channel, so creating an additional training program or product isn't such a big leap. With that said, if you have any questions, just ask in the comments below, and if you would like full step-by-step training on building channels for profit, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.